walking my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say, nothing to talk down. Oh, it's what's my way, live right now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaylin and we are back with another video. Today's video is the cash stuffing for the first paycheck of March. We are stuffing $300. This one's gonna be very similar to the last one, just with how things worked out with the money. So we're gonna get right into it. Y'all don't come for me for my nails. I tried a new dip powder from Amazon and I literally did this yesterday and it already chipped on some of the nails. Mind you, I did go to work and like I do a lot with my hands and stuff as a nurse, but dang, like my other ones last longer than that, so I'm kind of upset. I don't know if it's just that powder or I don't know, but we're gonna get right into the reading for today's video. Beholding the beauty of God. I remember standing in St. Isaac's Cathedral in St. Petersburg once and feeling awash with the majesty of God. Beautiful paintings depicting classic Bible stories filled the walls, a visual feast to the illiterate eyes of Russian peasants from another century. Incense and music enveloped me. I have never been more tangibly aware of the splendor of a high and holy God. Worship is really the only rational response we can have to beauty of this magnitude. But there is another aspect of beauty that awes, that this high and holy God who owes us nothing would come in search of us. Now that is worth stopping in your tracks to absorb. And that was by Paula Reinhardt. So promises about the beauty of God. You shall be holy, for I, the Lord, your God, am holy. That's Leviticus 19 verse 2. Great is our Lord and mighty in power. His understanding is infinite. That's Psalms 147 verse 5. One thing I have desired of the Lord that I will seek, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to behold the beauty of the Lord. Psalms 27:4. So we're just gonna start out this video that God is truly good and he is good all the time, and it is so nice to see the beauty of our Creator and how he loves us so much. So let us lay out this money. How have you guys been? I have honestly been working like crazy. Like my schedule hasn't been as nice with like space between my days, and I kind of been working the days that I would record, so that's why I haven't gotten my videos up as I should be, but hopefully it'll be better in the upcoming weeks. Working night shift is rough. I hope I don't have to work night shift for much longer. So let's count all this. I just wanted to make sure it was all aligned. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300. All right. And I apologize, y'all. I am talking low because everyone in my house is asleep. It's the early morning and I actually just got off of work, working overnight, so it's like 7:30 around that time. Just trying to be quiet before everyone has to wake up. So we're gonna start with the wallet. We have some stuff still in there. I don't have any dollars, so gas still has 25 in there. I did not have to use any, but we're gonna put 25 more dollars in there, so we have 20, 40, 45, 50, which is great because I actually will need to put all of this in my tank from working all the days that I worked. Eating out has $10. It's gonna get 10. I'm just gonna keep that in there. So we're gonna have 20 because in case I want to like order a pizza or something. Spending is gonna get $20. I did go to Target and spend some money on some stuff. I got, that's how you go when you go to Target. I don't even know, y'all. I don't know what I got, but I got some stuff. Coffee's not getting anything. I actually am running out of my Starbucks gift card money and I used all my Dunkin' money, so I do need to start putting money in this. But I got a new Nespresso for my birthday and we bought pods for that. So I've been using that, and then I've also been using some pods for the Keurig. So I'm really trying to get into my home coffee making girly era, okay? I'm really trying to save money out here and not spend $8 on coffee, because Starbucks, that's literally what I was spending, and it's just honestly ridiculous. So I need to look on Pinterest and figure out how to make the kind of drinks that I like at home, like learn how to make a chai tea. Yeah, so date night is gonna be getting 25. We actually need to plan something. Oh, you know what? We have a Red Lobster gift card and it's $50. So here you go, right here. Just gotta ask hubby when we're gonna go. Activities has $10, or it's getting $10. I don't think we're really doing anything. Books is gonna get $10, which I'm excited. I still have $4 on my Barnes & Noble's card, but I think I'm gonna start letting this kind of like beef up each week because I'm in a book buying ban. I can't buy any more books right now. I have so much to read. Cameron's gonna be getting $10, my little nuggie. Personal is getting $10. It has $10 in there, so we're gonna have a total of $20. What I want to do is get to the point where like these are like a little bit more meaty. So that is the wallet, that back in my purse. Then we're gonna get into our cash envelopes. So the next video will be, I don't even know, y'all. I keep saying that we're gonna play Sallie Mae, but things just keep coming up. So we really want to prioritize like our backyard being the vibe that we want it to be, so we're not like, oh, we want to go on vacation all the time and spend all this money on vacation. So we are getting our pool up. We just bought patio furniture, like a bar table, sectional, and we need some other stuff. And that's kind of what the money that was supposed to go to Sallie Mae this month went to. So we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. But I'm not stressed about it. Like, what I'm doing is just being active about my loans. I do want to pay them off, but what's more important on our priority list is enjoying the summer and having a good time and being able to relax in our home and enjoy it. You know what I mean? So that's just where we're at with that. But I promise we will be getting into that. I just might be a little bit, not as much money maybe going towards it at first until, you know, we get done everything that we want to do. But we're still going to be paying it. So birthdays and gifts has $20. It's going to get 10. So we're gonna have 30, 10, 20, 25, 30. Hubby is getting $10 as well. And there's already 20 in there. So we're gonna have 30, 10, 20, 25, 30. Car maintenance has 35 in it and it's getting 15. So we're gonna have 50, which we need to hurry up and get this one done because my oil change I think is in April. So 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Might be putting in more the next 2 paychecks and then try to get my oil change done at the end of April. Emergency fund has 35 and it's going to be getting 15 as well. So it should have 50, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Total of 50 in that. So see, like, we're coming a long way. We are, you know, they're filling up bit by bit. Just have to stick to it. We have 15 in medical and dental. We're adding in 5. So we should have a total of 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. It's just been hard. Like, I feel like, I don't know. I've been spending a lot of money and I'm trying to stop. So vacation has $20. It's getting 10. So it's going to have a total of 30, 10, 20, 25, 30. I need to take my allergy medicine because I feel my nose stuffed up right now. That envelope's breaking. Okay. Christmas has 20 and it's getting 10 as well. So we should have 30, 10, 20, 25, 30. Gonna have to order some new envelopes soon or try to laminate this one back. It's kind of popping open. And then giving, when God blesses me, it's for me to bless you, has 15 and we're gonna be adding in 5. So we'll have a total of 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. Y'all, I'm so tired of this. Like, I'm delusional. No dollars. So the dollar savings challenge is still gonna be the same. Now we're getting into our 100 envelope challenge and we're going to be stuffing. Oh, I'm tripping. How the heck did I not get to the back? This must have been stuck to it. Ties is getting 50. I'm like, why do I have a 50 sitting there? But there we go. All right, for real, we're done the wallet this time. I'm like, why do I have a 50 over there? So we're gonna be stuffing $22 and $28. I wanted to finish this line. I was like, oh, okay, cool, let's do that. And I wanted to keep it the same so that I just had to take out the same amount from the bank. So we're gonna do 28 and 22. So we're stuffing $50 again. So let's flip to it. 22, 20, 21, 22, 20 on the outside, 22, and then we're going to 28. So 20, this money is so dirty. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Like, it's actually disgusting. Some of them are just like grimy. Make sure you guys are washing your hands after touching your money, especially today with all the stuff going around. All right, so we had 28. So it's getting a little bulky. So I'm going to 195 plus 50 equals 245. So we now have 245 in our 100 envelope savings challenge. That way we can keep track. All right, y'all. So that was short and sweet, if I do say so myself. That is all we have for this cash stuffing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We were short, sweet, to the point. Got our money in our envelopes, and we're ready for another 2 weeks. And we'll see. Hopefully I'll have enough money for the next one to do things a little bit differently, but we'll see. As long as I get things in these envelopes, I am happy. As long as I'm contributing to my 100 envelope challenge, I'm happy. So yeah, I hope that everyone has a great weekend. Happy Friday, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.